Welcome back to next session. In our previous session, we discussed about the pathway of respiratory system, nostrils, nasal cavity clean up air, which have the dirt, small tiny particles present in air, and another important role in nasal cavity is the air come up with the body temperature. If not takes place this, the air have the coolness and absorbs the warmness and moisture from the internal body organs. Next one part is pharynx. Warming and moistening goes on in this common passage of digestive and respiratory system. Epiglottis, a flap-like muscular walls, controls movement of food and air towards their respective passages. Pharynx is the common passage for digestive and respiratory system. It means in pharynx is a part we call throat. Throat mix up with food and air. When we take food into our buccal cavity, when we swallow the food enter into the pharynx. The air also goes to the pharynx. So air and food both are mixed in the pharynx. So pharynx is called as common passage for digestive and respiratory system. How the food and air goes to their respective organs. Here one type of traffic police, that is epiglottis. Epiglottis is a one flap like muscular. Traffic police controls the movement of vehicles to go their respective ways. Like epiglottis also controls the movement of food and air goes towards their respective passages. Next one, larynx. This stiff box contains our vocal cords. Vocal cords means voice muscles. You studied about the vocal cords in 8th class. Adam's apple, 9 cartilage muscles present in throat. They are responsible for the voice. When the air passes out of the lungs and over the vocal cords, it causes them to vibrate. This produces sounds on the basis of our speech and song. So, larynx is also called voice box. Trachea, windpipe, channeling air to lungs, touch our throat to feel the tube-like structure. Windpipe, channeling air to lungs. The trachea also we feel when we touch our hand at the throat. It is a like wind-like pipe at the lower end of the trachea, changing into two parts that are called branches. At its lower end, the trachea or windpipe divides into two bronchi, one leading to each lung. These two branches, one and another one leading to enter into the lungs, bronchioles. Each bronchi is further divided into smaller and smaller branches called bronchioles. Each bronchi is further divided in the lungs into smaller and smaller branches called branches, alveoles. These finally terminate the cluster of air sacs called alveoli. It means small air sacs present in the lungs are called alveoles. In the lungs, which are very smaller and numerous gaseous exchange takes place here as blood capillaries taken up oxygen and expel carbon dioxide. Every alveoli surrounded by the blood capillary. The blood capillary carries the blood from the body parts. The blood have the carbon dioxide. Diffusion takes place in that, and the carbon dioxide enter into the alveoli. Alveoli have the rich oxygen. That rich oxygen enter into the blood. Blood carries oxygen to each and every cell of the body and collects the CO2 from the cells. The whole passage from nostrils to alveoles is moist and warm. See the students, respiratory path and respiratory system of man by this diagram, and this diagram and these parts are very important for your 2 marks and 4 marks. First one part is nostrils, next nasal cavity. The respiratory system first part is nostrils, second one nasal cavity. Nasal cavity absorbs the coolness of air and turn the air into warm, which is similar to body temperature. And also dirt, tiny parts also filtrate through the nasal cavity, and air enter into the pharynx, which is the common passage for the food and the respiratory system. Air and food both are mixed at this pharynx. And another part is larynx. Larynx is the part have the vocal cords. Larynx is the first part of windpipe. And next one part is trachea. Trachea is have this some C-type cartilage muscles. Next, trachea divided into two at the lower end leads to bronchi. Bronchi are divided into small and small ones called bronchioles. These bronchioles are ended with the air-like sacs called alveoli. These alveoli are surrounded by the blood capillaries. The blood absorbs diffusion to the CO2 and to the alveoli, and absorbs the O2 from the alveoli. This is the respiratory system work. Pathway of air. Try to write names of respiratory system what you learned from this session. Where do the gases exchange takes place in lungs? Children, observe, where do the gases exchange takes place in lungs? You can answer by these parts. Which is the common passage for digestive and respiratory system? Where is the vocal cords present in respiratory system? Are both lungs similar in size? See the lungs, these both lungs similar or big, and one end big and small. Identify this. Which is big? If not in similar, which is big and which is small? Where are where air gets warm and moist in the respiratory system. Warm and moist gets air which part in the respiratory system. What happen if not track is moist? What is the other name for trachea? What is the other name for trachea? Voice box, bronchi, windpipe. Trachea lower end divided into three branches. True or false? Identify the answer. Respiratory system starts from nasal cavity to alveoles. Is it right or wrong? Respiratory system starts from nasal cavity to alveoli. True or false? Right side lungs are bigger than left side. True or false?